Hi, this is Anna Wells with IEN's Finishing World reporting from NASF Surfin 2016. I'm here with Kyle Fallman from Associated Rack Corporation, and we're going to talk a little bit about the company. So tell us a little bit about Associated Rack.
Okay, we are a manufacturer, custom manufacturer of tooling for the surface finishing industry. So we make racks and baskets and carts and various things custom made for customer systems. We don't really do stock items. We focus on the custom tooling. So we make parts carrying fixtures for the process.
Okay. And what kind of customer would you say is like your typical customer?
Well, we service a lot of different industries. We're heavily involved in automotive and aerospace, also the electronics industry, plumbing fixtures, household cabinetry, kind of anything and everything that we service. So we have customers that are job shops, we have captive shops, but basically any kind of finishers. So whether you're doing plating or e-coating or anodizing or powder coating or electropolishing, any anodizing, any of those things we get involved with. Basically, customer calls us up, I've got this part, I'm trying to do this with it, how can I do it? And so we will, design a fixture to, maximize the amount of throughput they can have through the system, while they maintain excellent quality in the plating process, while they, ergonomically, it is a easy rack to load and unload, so they don't have ergonomic issues. All those things factor into the way we do things.
Sure. So highly consultative, it sounds like.
Yeah, it's a process.
Yeah, good thing you have the 68 years of experience.
Yeah, it helps. I don't personally, I'm not quite that old, but yes. The company does, and we have 8 different manufacturing plants. So we are, of what we do, I think we're the largest in North America, both in number of employees and number of facilities and years of experience. So we do have that to offer, and that's an advantage.
Anything else that you can tell us that's new and exciting with Associated Rack? Anything you're particularly excited about?
Well, we're always looking. We again, having been around for 68 years, we have always been very kind of aggressive in the marketplace. We have expanded kind of aggressively. We again have 8 facilities in the United States, and we continue to look for further expansion. 3 years ago, we opened up our facility in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and that has been a big success. So now we're looking beyond that. Is maybe international expansion a possibility? Maybe Mexico, Canada, other Brazil, Philippines. There are things out there all the time that we're investigating. And then the nature of the industry is also always moving. It keeps things exciting. The fact that we don't make the same thing over and over and over again. The fact that every time a customer calls up with a new part, it is new and fresh and different. So it never gets boring, at least to me. But it's in my blood. I bleed orange. I always have. I grew up, in the business, and
It is a family business.
it is a family business. My grandfather started it. My father and uncle kind of drove it for decades, and it's kind of getting passed on to me now, and hopefully I won't run it into the ground. But it's everything is good, and looking forward to it. Again, the newness of everything is what really keeps it exciting.
Sure, yeah. Okay, great. Well, thank you so much,
Okay,
Kyle, for
you're very
joining us
welcome.
today.
I appreciate the time.
Yeah,
to talk.
it was fun.
Okay.
So this is Anna Wells reporting from Surfin 2016.